Familiarize yourself with the 2012 Chevrolet Equinox. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like heated seats, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive assures superb handling in any weather condition. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.